Hello guys, welcome to e-learning. Quotes for today: maturity. You cannot be a winner without maturity and consistency. Maturity is the ability to think, speak, and act your feelings within the bounds of dignity. The measure of your maturity is how spiritual you become during the midst of your frustrations. Learning lessons is a little like reaching maturity. You're not suddenly more happy, wealthy, or powerful, but you understand the world around you better, and you're at peace with yourself. Learning life's lesson is not about making your life perfect, but about seeing life as it was meant to be. Time gives you experience and maturity to face things in different ways. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again for my next video. God bless.